This video is going to show you how to make peanut butter blossoms with mini Reese's and Hershey's Kisses. First, you'll need a half a cup of shortening, half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of regular sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. So you need your Crisco in, your mixing bowl, peanut butter in, you'll need your brown sugar, and your regular sugar, and your 2 tablespoons of milk, and your 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 egg together. Once that's all creamed together, then you want to add your flour, salt, and baking soda. That's 1 3/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll mix that together on low. Once your dough is mixed up, then we make it in 2 dough balls, just like that. And then we put them in sugar. Now, since it's Christmas time, I'm going to put red and green sugar on them. So here it is. You just roll it in sugar and put it on your parchment lined cookie sheet. Just roll it all around. Have your oven on 350 degrees, and these will bake for about 12 minutes. Just cover them with sugar, put them on your cookie sheet. Also, you'll have to have your chocolate ready to put on top of them. I have cookie and cream Hershey Kisses and Reese cups, mini Reese cups, that I'm going to put in the middle as soon as they come out. I don't want to put them in now because I don't want them to melt all over the place. You put them on after they come out. So just fill your pan up with cookies just like that. Put them in the oven on 350 for 12 minutes, and then we'll put our chocolate. Make sure you leave enough space for them to, because they'll flatten out a little bit. So leave them enough room. Our cookies have just come out of the oven. Before they cool off, we want to put our chocolate in the middle. Those are Hershey Kisses. These are mini Reese cups. Put them right in the middle. Then you let the cookies cool and they're ready to eat. I hope you like my recipe for peanut butter blossoms holiday style. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Again, subscribing is free. All you got to do is click the subscribe button and you'll get notifications when I post another video. Hope you like the Watch Me Bake channel. Till next time.